And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you how I can sort numbers randomly. Here we still have our function from the last tutorial where we sorted the numbers in the array according to their size. So we've applied the sort method and inside then defined the function. We use AB as a comparison. So AB are the numbers, we compare them. And when you return B minus A, you have biggest to smallest and A minus B smallest to biggest. And we print it out here. So this is our ARR array. To sort that randomly, we just have to change our function. So what we do is we still use the ARR array, apply the sort method inside, define the function. We have regular brackets, curly brackets, and the outer brackets here are for the sort method. And we only have to change the stuff inside of the curly brackets. We'll make it return 0.5 minus math.random. Don't forget the brackets here. And now it's a random sorting function. So if I refresh my browser, you can see how these numbers change. And it's just a random result created by this math.random method. Keep in mind also that we don't have to use A and B anymore as the parameters of the function, as we're not comparing numbers anymore. And this is how you can sort an array randomly using JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.